Bonus X cash price. 45,800 pesos down payment. 2,500 pesos description. Features front wheel disc brake, fuel efficient, sporty speedometer, available colors black, red, black, orange, black, blue, matte, engine type 4-stroke. Single cylinder bore and stroke 50 by 49.5, displacement 97.2 cc, compression ratio 9.0. 1 fuel system, carburetor, cooling system, air transmission, 4 speed, dimensions and capacity LXWXH 1920X 680X 1100, ground clearance 120 m, fuel capacity 3.8 L, dry weight 98 kg, frame type UNDERBONE, front suspension telescopic fork, rear suspension swing arm, front wheel 2.2517, rear wheel 2.5017, front brakes disc brake, rear brakes drum brake, performance max output 4.4 kilowatts, 7,500 rpm, max torque 6.77 Nm, 5,500 rpm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.